Here is a quick demo for Isolate tool. Isolate tool consists of two plugins which you can find it under third dimension menu. Once you select the light, the plugin gets activated and now you can use the plugin. Isolate light will help you isolate the lights easily from your scene without affecting the object in your scene. You can also activate the plugin through keyboard shortcut so that you'll be able to work faster and more efficiently. This plugin will help you see how each light is contributing to the scene. After you isolate a few lights, you can hold down Shift key and this will hide the selected lights. This is really useful while doing look development. I've been using this plugin for the past year and I can't live without using it on my daily workflow. Isolate object works similar to isolate light but doesn't hide the light in your scene. This is really helpful when you want to focus on a specific object either while working on modeling, animation or texturing. If you hold down Alt and isolate it, this will isolate any object above the selected object but not below, even if it's in the same hierarchy. If you hold down Control, this will isolate the child below it, but only to the first child.